Hey everybody, I'm John Cavanaugh, principal of Deep Creek Middle School in Chesapeake, Virginia. Just want to let you know the beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was outstanding. We just had them here for 2 assemblies today for our kids. Best assembly I've ever seen. I've never been to an assembly like this before. Principals, you need to get it in your building. Your kids will benefit from it, not just that day, but going forward. They're active participants in the assembly. They're just not sitting there for 90 minutes. They're up there, they're dancing, and the message is even more important than that because that's what they'll really take away from this. So, a beautiful tomorrow, principals, invite them to your building now. Thank you.
Have a beautiful tomorrow.